Hello.
How are you?
Good to see you.
So we've met Travis and Josie here at home base to have a look at Jason's windows because they're renovating the back of their house to try and open up a space in their kitchen and living area.
Well, we've been in there for about a year and a half, and we're just really excited to make it ours.
So Trav and Josie looking at the sliding stacking door, the residential grade sliding stacking door.
I really like the doors that we've chosen. I reckon it's going to really open up the back of the house.
It's going to be challenging because there's a bit of brickwork to do and some rendering, and we've got to cart bricks and stuff away and cut things out. And
I don't know if you knew what you were talking about there, Carole.
well, I'm just trying to work out what we had to do.
I reckon it's great. They can do all the work and we can stand around and kick back.
Never a dull moment with those two, that's for sure.
Bang, let's get into this. Taking window panes, getting them out, just stripping the whole place and not having anything left except the opening, so the visual was there already.
She got on the jackhammer, so good on her. She got chipped up a couple of tiles, and then Carole, get out of the way. There's work to be done. Windows out, new stuff in, 2.5 hours, amazing job. And that's with no help from Carole.
I got my hands dirty a little bit. I would have liked to have done a little bit more.
Oh my goodness!
Cool.
Go on for a little while and come back and this is what you get.
Look at
How awesome is that? Have a feel of it. So smooth.
So easy and light.
So
Beautiful. These Jason doors have transformed this area.
Love it. I love it.
Opens up all that inside. It's real good.
They've done such a good job, and it was about so quick. We've literally just gone out to get lunch and come back and it's done.
Very impressed.